Hoover's blackmail list of people he wanted to use information against to destroy was a mile long. You name it, anybody who Hoover believed could possibly threaten him, he put on the list. Then the question you have to ask yourself then, well, if Hoover becomes this incredibly powerful one-man institution, why didn't future presidents fire him? Because guess what? He made sure he gathered the goods on anybody who could obtain any position of power and threaten him, right? Even long before they became a president. The only president I see who could have really got rid of Hoover was probably Johnson. Johnson had the cojones to do it, but he didn't in the end, which was really surprising.